Alright guys, everybody's favorite talking head here. Today we're going to go over 5 steps that you need to take to build your brand on YouTube. Let's go and get it done as fast as we can. Alright guys, so today we're going to go over the 5-step YouTube brand plan, and I'm going to make it the quickest tutorial I have ever done. Because I want you guys to get this information, get it down, and have an understanding of what you need to do to make an actual brand on YouTube. Without the BS, without any upsells, without anything extra. It's all value, all right now. Let's go. So, the first 3 steps. First thing you're going to do is you're going to choose a brand focus. Natural remedies, making money online, cars, the latest New York fashion trends, whatever it is. What are you going to solve with that brand focus? In other words, how are you going to help your viewers better themselves with your videos? With me, for example, my brand is focused on making YouTube money. In other words, money on YouTube. So I want to help people learn about how they can make money on YouTube, how to build their brand. Bam, easy. You need this because it will keep your channel focused and it will build quality that your viewers will grow to expect. Next step, build. In other words, how are you going to build your channel? How is each successive video going to build on top of the other one? You can't just have a video about gardening, a video about making videos on YouTube, a video about old people and arthritis aches. It needs to be focused. If you want to differentiate, either make a generalized vlogging channel, do something crazy, but keep it focused. You want everything to build. You're building a building with your brand. You're not just building a one-hit wonder. Playlist. That's going to be how you build. You take your videos, you put them in a playlist one after the other. That way people can start on video 1 and end on video 50. You've got the watch time, you've got the views, you've got the subscribers. Great. It also helped you develop content that provides value, which in turn develops subscribers. All right. Step number 4, network. Crazy, I know. What you do is you comment on related videos. You interact with other people. You develop connections. You talk to strangers. You teach strangers that you have some kind of value. You give them a quick 5-second, info about, you know what, Gary Vaynerchuk is pretty cool. The idea of crushing it has changed my life, blah, blah, blah. You go up votes. You get thumbs up. Sorry, excuse me. You get thumbs up. Your comments go to the top. People see you. They start clicking your channel. Bam, free traffic. Easy. Then you respond to comments on your channel. You respond to replies to your comments that you leave on other channels. You interact. Interaction is the basis for building traffic to your channel. Period. And then step number 5, the easiest step of all, but the one everyone screws up on, repeat. In other words, keep building videos, keep building brand focus, keep building playlists, keep networking. Repeat it until you get tired of it. Then repeat it some more. And I mean a lot more. 50, 100, 300 times. If you keep doing it, eventually they will come. And that has been 5 steps. That's all you needed to watch. If you want to leave the channel, go ahead. But I strongly encourage you to take a look at the related videos down somewhere. Take a look, find some stuff you want to do, get out there, make some videos, and if you are really serious about making a full-time income on YouTube, check out my description. I've got a link to some free help that you can sign up for. If not, whatever. Go for it. And that is it. You have made it to the end of the video. I want you guys to understand that I wanted to provide value. This is probably going to be the first of my Building Your Brand on YouTube playlists that I make. I want you guys to check the videos above, look at some stuff, and get some value from this channel. That's it. That's literally it. If you want more, watch more. If you don't, get out. See you, bye.